when you have a finger in common with two chords that you're playing, you don't actually lift it. Example would be A minor 7 to D7. The finger is in the same position for both. So you wouldn't do A minor 7, then take the fingers off and then start a whole new chord. This is pre-positioned and it makes chord changing much, much easier. You will clearly see that on A minor 7, I'm not moving that finger to D7. A minor 7, D7. I'm also not moving my thumb. And I'm also minding my space. Beginners tend to do this, which makes it impossible to change chords. You need to maintain your space between your hand and the guitar neck and let your fingertips do the work. In this little exercise, A minor 7 is down, 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 up, down, up, D7. And you can speed that up then to get a... And very often you can add 1 or 2 or maybe 3 chords and it gives you access to millions of songs in guitar.